Well, a strike appears to be on the horizon for Ascension Genesys registered nurses.
Their union submitted their 10-day notice early this morning, which is required by law. Our Alyssa Irwin has been following this development. Alyssa, the nurses' contract expired at midnight?
That's correct. Teamsters Local 332 says it's after contract negotiations failed to reach a new deal. And they've been preparing for this outcome. Last month, more than 98% of Ascension Genesys nurses voted to authorize a strike.
A 10-day notice to go on strike that allows for them an opportunity to continue the patient care and make sure that the community themselves has an opportunity to use their facility.
Here's that written and emailed letter to Ascension. As the union states, the strike will happen at 7:30 a.m. on May 20th at 3 locations: the hospital and the Cardiac Rehab Center, both in Grand Blanc, and the Cancer Institute in Flint, stating it's rather unfortunate that the employer refused to set more than 3 bargaining dates to be held during the 3-week time period from April 18th through May 9th. One of the biggest reasons, says the president of the nurses union, the ratio of patients to nurses, especially after the pandemic.
That's a huge issue with our nurses. They're getting burned out. The community, the patients aren't getting the quality care they need. And we're really adamant that there's got to be an avenue to address the staffing.
Glass says around 750 nurses will soon be on the picket line, adding that number is down by 400 from 2018 due to staff leaving.
They have been short everywhere, and we really need the community support behind this.
He adds the union has been upfront about a strike since the beginning of negotiations.
Ascension's history with this is they will contract with travel and won't work our members after they've already contracted with the travel when they start on May 20th. So we expect that it's going to end up, for sure ending up in a strike at 7:30 a.m. on May 20th.
We've reached out to Ascension Genesys, and a spokesperson said they would share a statement. As of now, we have not received it. Here in the studio, Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.